What you can see here are rocks that look like boats. From the rock at the second level and the third level, they look like boats, known as the flying rock, that is the flying boat formation, because they look like boats that are flying. Amazingly, this area is not far from civilization. Just a few meters from here, there are houses where people live. Here in Epworth, Harare. What a magnificent piece of nature. Now, this structure or this formation is not at all man-made. It is natural. How the rocks balance on top of each other like that so well, only nature knows. What holds the rocks together is this rock at the bottom. And amazingly, the rocks at the top balance from that place where you are seeing right there. This looks like a boat. That looks like a boat. And hence the flying boat formation. Amazing. The natural work of the environment that we all live in. It is very interesting to note how these rocks balance on top of each other and how they were formed with such perfect architecture. Like a man sat down and thought of all this, but this is natural. It has nothing to do with what someone thought of or dreamt of or done. It is a natural formation. Just one of the many, many rare nature scenes that are found in the big planet called Earth, which we all dwell in. Rocks that indeed look like boats. That is the view, the overall view. I thank you.